There's only ever been a couple of times when I feel good or alive. And that's either during my wedding or washing a car. And I think for any car enthusiast, that can be either working on the engine, that can be buying new parts, that can be whatever you want it to be. But for me, it's only one thing. It's being able to go outside and wash your car. Does that look like enough? This vlog is not going to be about washing cars, trust me. But I do drive this great BMW that I will be building up over time. And taking the time to bring you guys along with me is what I want to do in this vlog. And also have a lot of different videos, that way my son and my daughter can learn along the way, hopefully for BMWs. Or just like cars in general. And clearly this channel is not going to be about me. It's going to be about the build of this car. Now, obviously I know you probably saw that I have these rotiform caps on my ESRs, but they fit, so deal with it. Since I want this to be a proper vlog and not have it be clickbait, why don't I show you guys what you actually came here for, and that's the car. So this is my 2015 BMW 328i M Sport wagon. We got a lot of big plans for it. Hopefully gonna wide body it soon, but right now I'm trying to acquire a carbon fiber duck bill that has never really been put on a wagon before. I heard there's only about 3 of them in the United States right now, but on ESRs, 19-inch, lowered on H&R springs, and it's just the ultimate dad wagon. I mean, they even got matching car seats in the back for the kids, just literally because, and they never drive actually in this car. They ride in mom's car over there. That gives you guys just a little rundown of kind of what this vlog is going to be about, where I want it to go, and ultimately trying to put these out like probably once a month. You know, I tried vlogging before, and I tried doing it every single day, and it didn't pan out with the old wifey. So we'll hopefully get a schedule here going soon, but I'll catch you guys in the next one, and let me know if you guys have any comments, and thank you. Talk to you soon.